Ever wonder how videos like this are made without a big crew or fancy camera? In the next few minutes, you'll watch me build a 60-second bird video from scratch using free AI tools, so you can do the same on a basic computer. I'm Kai Akindon from Retired and Rewired, a work in progress, and there's a free 6-step checklist with all the tools linked in the description if you want to follow along. Before we touch a single AI tool, we need a strong foundation. That brings us to step 1, idea and research. The creative process hasn't really changed. It's still about picking a topic, researching it, and creating a narrative. But using AI is like having Google or your reference books on steroids. Instead of spending hours digging, we're going to leverage AI to do the heavy lifting in seconds. Let's stick with our example and go through the process in real time. We picked a simple, interesting topic. That backyard bird, the loggerhead shrike. Never heard of it? Perfect. Let's see what we can find out. If you want to make your own video, just pause at the prompts, get the tool you need, I'll identify it, and follow along. We'll do our research using a free AI agent, currently using Gemini AI. Simply enter your inquiry into the chat box. Our prompt is clear and specific. Give it a second. And here are the results. Notice how it immediately gives us the facts we need, confirming things like its nickname, the butcher bird, and its unusual hunting style. We have our facts from step 1, but we can't just read a list. We need a captivating story. This brings us to step 2, script and storyboard. Since the AI already gave us a good starting point, we're going to ask it to refine these facts into a structured, timed script. This prompt is doing 3 things: setting a time limit, 60 seconds, creating a segment structure, 4 15-second parts, and asking for visual cues. That's crucial for making our job easier later. We want the script to tell us what to show. See? This looks much better for our short demo video. It's no longer just a list, it's a storyline. We have 4 clear segments. We can save this script now. And since Gemini has already created the actual commands, the AI generators can use to create the audio and video clips, we've completed step 3, prompt engineering. We've structured our story and prepared the audio prompt. Now, for the most critical part, prompt engineering for video. This is where we tell the video AI exactly what we want to see, using the visual cues we built into the script. In this case, Gemini has already done some of that work for us by adding camera control, text overlays, and impact scenes at the end of the clips. Now we're ready for step 4, generation. This is the fun part. We'll start with the audio. For this, I'm using 11 Labs. We load our audio text into the free audio generator. We click Generate, and seconds later, our professional natural voiceover clip is ready. We listen to a quick snippet. It sounds great, and click on the download button to save it for our video. The video clip process is similar, but it uses a different generative AI app. Here we're using Sora 2 for Mind Video. We enter our highly engineered prompt and click Generate. After a little wait for the AI magic to happen, our video clip is generated. We'll preview it and see how that cinematic prompt turned out. Wow! That looks exactly like what we asked for. We'll download that clip and repeat steps 3 and 4 for the remaining segments. We'll start with the rest of the audio clips, then we'll finish the video clips. Now that we have all our audio and video clips, we're ready for the final stage. Step 5, editing and assembly. For this, we need a reliable video editor. I'm using the free version of DaVinci Resolve, but CapCut or any simple editor will work. We simply select the clips we want to use and drag them into the timeline. We arrange the video and the audio clips in the sequence we planned in our script. Even though we were specific asking for 15-second segments, Sometimes things don't work out, and we have to make some adjustments. We'll do that to the playback speed of the video to get it to match the length of the audio. After that, we add a quick title card, maybe some free background music, a quick review, and we are ready to render. Once it's rendered, we have our final ready-to-share video, and that brings us to our final step, step 6, publishing. This part is simple. We upload the rendered video to our preferred platform, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever works for your audience. That's it. That is the full workflow for creating high-quality, engaging AI-generated videos. I promised you tools that anyone can use, and here they are. I've included an information file in the description that gives you direct verified links for free access to all the apps I used in this demonstration. Don't miss it. Knowing that I'm providing useful information to you motivates me to keep creating these eclectic adventure videos. If this outline has helped you, here's your next step. Pick one idea and try this AI workflow for yourself. Then tell me in the comments, what video are you planning to make with these tools? Or what challenging topics should I tackle with this workflow next?